Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Kyana. Now it's been almost going on a year and a half.
Correct.
And you look absolutely amazing. New frontal hairline. You're now here just to pick up where we left off. There's certain cases that I do where I can't get all the way back. So I focus on your frontal hairline. I go ahead and jam pack it as tight as I can be. That way you get that fullness in your frontal hairline. And definitely with this 4C hair texture, you can see how nicely it fills in. But then I'll show you as I got further back, it was such a large area, and you'll see through the before pictures that now she's here for the second round to go ahead and fill in where I left off. How happy are you about your frontal hairline?
On a scale of 0 to 10, 10.
You now are able to wear your hair out again.
Correct.
Nobody even knows that you have some areas of no hair right behind your frontal hairline. And that's what we always talked, even before the first procedure, during the initial consultation, I had advised you that you would need 2 procedures. Is that correct?
You did.
So there was no surprise that you would have to come back a year and a half later. But now you're still able to style your hair, wear it back in a ponytail. But after today's procedure, not only are you going to be able to style your hair in any way that you want, you'll be able to paste it down forward. You'll be able to go ahead, possibly straighten it a little bit easier, but wear it in any style you want. If you had to do it all over again, would you go ahead and have a hair transplant the first time?
Absolutely.
Well, we're going to follow your progress today. You look absolutely amazing. I love the hairline that you chose in the first place. And now it's really just picking up where we left off. And we'll be with you through this entire journey again.
Thank you.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.